Since there's nothing really more to cover with my lyrics about Playland, hecklers may say to one another, we sure won't miss this crazy man, even though some think I'm insane and that my mind is totally gone. It takes skillful talent using my brain when making these clever spoof songs. Whether people want to admit it or not, I'm the first one at doing this, having my lyrics about Playland and pot, making many laugh, getting their kicks. I'm a legend in my own mind, who's boring, making people yawn, which is why it's about time I stop after making this 100th song. The main reason for writing lyrics to these songs was in hopes of acquiring fame, but the category I placed them in was wrong. Under the heading of the right Playland name, I was hoping some rock band would like my lyrics and hire me. Apparently none of them were my fans, feeling my style wasn't their cup of tea. I know I'm getting real tired of not being worshipped and admired, meaning maybe it's about time I just retire. Hey man, the few people who leave me comments for me on YouTube makes my heart move. And funny, I'm the only one writing lyrics for these songs, doing it mostly for good, clean fun. I know I earned my place in the right Playland history books, having a very unique taste, writing lyrics which are out of the norm, and singing them to karaoke songs. Sad enough, I'm not a rock star. Yet on YouTube, I'm almost ignored, which has got me so depressed, not wanting to write anymore. And I bet no one cares. Hecklers believing I'm a moron. Won't see any future lyrics, thinking the meanings are also wrong. That's why this is the last Playland song.